have to have a backyard to be able to watch birds from your home. They even make bird feeders with suction cups that you can attach to a window, and the birds will come and feed there. Hummingbirds and all sorts of other birds too. Watch this. I put a bird feeder outside my kitchen window. Yeah, we're looking through a screen, the window glass and a screen. But I just love it so much because once the birds found it, which only took them a day or two, I've had all kinds of birds coming to it. Oh, now I do have shell-free seed in there. In other words, the shells have been removed from the seed, so the seed cannot germinate. So it won't cause all sorts of weeds and stuff to grow down in the ground. But I just love being here in the kitchen and being able to watch the birds. And then when I sit in my living room, of course, ooh, around we go. And in the living room, I get to watch the birds out there. It's very relaxing. I believe this is a juvenile house finch because I've had a house finch family coming to the bird feeders in the front of the house and in back. The males will develop a reddish color on their heads and chests and sometimes on their tails. And the females kind of stay drab looking so they can be safe in the nests when they lay the eggs so that they won't be as easily noticed. Oh, you know, some people say, oh, it's just a drab bird, it has no color to it. But look at the feathers, how they're arranged. Look at just the posture of the bird, the way it moves its head around it. You know, almost looks like imagine a person like that. You know, you don't have to have a backyard to be able to watch birds and enjoy them. You just have a little place where you can put up a little bird feeder. The birds will show up. They will. Just give them some time.